All right, hey, take two today. morganslv here. First time it just wouldn't download. I don't know what the heck's going on. All brand new equipment. Go figure. Hey, gold today, 13.42, up 15 bucks. 23.88 for silver, up 20 cents from yesterday. Now this is this morning's numbers. 10/28, 2010. I just got a little short little blip today. So 1980 high for silver was 50 bucks. Everybody knows that. How much was 50 bucks in 1980? Let's go over this real quick. A movie ticket was $2.50. A stamp, first class stamp, was 15 cents. Gas was $1.25 a gallon. Median income for the U.S. was $17,700. So putting that in perspective, to match the 1980 high of 50, today it would have to be 138 an ounce. So as you can see, there's lots of room, right? There's lots of room to at least break even where we were in 1980, given inflation. And so, you know, it's just kind of interesting. I just like seeing little, little sets of figures, facts and figures that you can go off of, you know, to kind of figure out where you're at in this bull market. I'm hoping that it's going to go much higher than that. I think it will, you know, and as you know, I'm waiting for the ratio to hit 500 to 1. 500 ounces of silver to one brand new medium price home in the U.S. because I plan to buy real estate with my holdings. Secondly, my last video got a lot of responses. Thank you all for your comments, both good and bad. Most of them were, even the ones that were bad, you know, some of them said they disagreed with me. You know, it's not really me you're disagreeing with history. I realize that this go around, a lot of things are different. History meaning, you know, the last time gold and silver crashed, you know, the interest rates were 16-17%. I don't know if that'll ever happen again in our lifetimes. What I did want to get across is that we need to not be lulled to sleep, and don't think anything's a for sure deal, because it's not. You know, the world is a changing place. Only God knows where we're going to end up, and so just don't be lulled to sleep by oh well, it just can't go down. Well, yeah, it can go down. And what if you get into a tough spot and it's in a huge dip and you have to sell? I mean, things can happen, and I hope they don't. I hope all of us hit our home run, as you know, with our silver. I believe everybody's going to have a private, you know, they're going to hear a little voice in their heads going to say, hey, this is the time to sell. You need to make your move and make it now. So I hope everybody gets what they want, you know, out of their holdings. And so enough said on all that. But I do appreciate everybody's comments. I really, really do. Thank you very much. Let's go into this real quick. As you guys know, that I'm attempting to pretty much, you know, other than my future real estate, pretty much go online as far as income. My son's business, www.smallengineadvice4dummies, has been doing really well. It's slower now. This is not the season to have mowers and edgers and whatnot really, you know, have a lot of stuff done to those at this time, and buying and selling and all that kind of stuff. But it did do very well. He pretty much did about zero cash on it for the first 4 months, and then the last 2 months he did about 5,500 bucks. And once again, he bumped into money on that, and I can go over that with you. If you want to email me, if you want to comment, you know, I can get back with you personally and just let you know kind of what happened. But I feel the same thing's going to happen with my e-business, in that I'm already having people asking me, would I be willing to build them a website? So that it begged me to go ahead and research it out. Now, the companies that I found that I feel are reputable, the ones that have been around a long time, you know, it's a chunk of dough. I met one guy, I just wanted to get his opinion on some stuff. He goes, man, I don't even have time for you. I'm building 7 websites right now at 75 bucks an hour. So in other words, I'm thinking once I get my video blog up and going, and my channel is chugging along the way I want it to and whatnot, there's gonna be other opportunities. So my advice to you guys is, if you're at all thinking about making a channel, you know, video blog, any type of e-business, go for it. Research it out. Make sure that there's a viable audience and that audience has some money. And then you can start pulling dollars from outside your area. So it's a big deal to me. I'm not just talking about silver and gold. Great. Hey, we all have it. You know, a lot of us have it already. And if you don't, you need to get some. You need to get what you can, accumulate what you can. But you also, I think, need to not just sit back and put all your eggs in that basket. I'm not. And check into it. Check into e-businesses. Adam Short is the next person that we're going to deal with. Adam Short, Niche Profit Classroom, or Niche Profit Classroom. The guy's real sharp. So that's another avenue that we're going to go down, but I don't know how busy we're going to get because I'm already starting to get a lot of buzz. The other thing that's coming on board is I think I might be able to get great deals on bullion in the near future. You know, I'm hoping. He's right now reviewing my channel, this one person, and we may be making a deal, and so I'll be able to offer some kind of deal to my viewers, and that is very, very exciting for me. He likes my channel. He's known me for a while. We've already done business quite a bit, so he knows I'm kind of a grounded guy, and I do what I say. So once again, you know, the future is unfolding in front of us. We need to maintain. And I'm just excited about what I see going on in my little life over here, in my little corner of YouTube. And I suggest you guys, you know, if you're sitting on the fence, go for it, man. Research something out that you like, and just go for it. Because trust me, you'll bump into other stuff. And it just seems like, you know, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Morgan SLV out.